What if I told you that the job you're doing right now might not even exist in 5 years? This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. Technology, automation, they're not just changing the workplace, they're replacing it. Today, we're breaking down jobs that are on the verge of extinction by 2030, and what's replacing them. Let's get into it. Remember when you'd line up at the grocery store, wallet in hand? Now self-checkouts, cashier-less stores, and AI scanners do the work. Major chains are investing billions in automation. Retail jobs aren't disappearing, they're transforming into roles that manage, design, and optimize the machines doing the work. No one loves getting cold sales calls. Now with AI voice assistants and smart chatbots, businesses can make thousands of sales pitches simultaneously, with better results and no human voice. What used to be a person on a headset is now an algorithm guided by data. But humans are still involved, just higher up the chain, designing how these bots talk, what they say, and how they learn. Robots are now flipping burgers and making fries. Fast food chains are using automation to save time, cut labor costs, and speed up service. The role of cook becomes more like technician, someone who oversees the machines, fixes them when needed, and ensures everything runs smoothly. Behind the scenes, engineers are designing kitchens that are as much robotics labs as they are restaurants. Seen drones in the sky. Self-driving delivery cars on the road. That's the future arriving early. Major companies are investing in autonomous delivery systems that don't need a driver, don't get tired, and don't need to be paid hourly. But these systems still need human minds, people to oversee fleet routes, optimize performance, and manage problems when they occur. Data entry used to be one of the most common office jobs in the world. Now, it's one of the fastest disappearing. Artificial intelligence doesn't get distracted, doesn't make typos, and doesn't ask for a raise. But data still matters. Humans now work above the machine, verifying accuracy, interpreting patterns, and ensuring systems are functioning the way they should. Booking flights used to mean calling someone or visiting an office. Now it's all done online, often in seconds. AI tools now recommend personalized trips, alert you to price drops, and even predict weather changes. Human travel agents aren't gone entirely, but they now work in luxury niches, complex itineraries, or as consultants for virtual experiences and digital nomads. Banks used to be packed with people standing in line to talk to a teller. Today, almost everything from check deposits to loan applications can be done from your phone. Even customer service is being handled by AI. But humans haven't been eliminated, they've moved into tech development, user experience design, and high-level financial advising roles. Newspapers on doorsteps used to be a morning ritual. Now, news is a scroll on a screen. The decline of print media means jobs like delivery drivers, printing press operators, and even local journalists are vanishing. But digital media is booming, creating demand for content curators, newsletter editors, podcast hosts, and video producers who understand how to grab attention in a crowded feed. Buying a movie or train ticket once meant standing in line at a booth. Now, it's all about mobile passes and QR codes. The jobs behind the counter are disappearing, replaced by digital platforms and automation. But those platforms still need to be designed, secured, and improved. Event tech and ticketing software is becoming an entire industry of its own. In factories, repetitive jobs are vanishing. Assembly lines run faster and more safely with machines. Robots handle welding, sorting, packing, and lifting. But it doesn't mean humans are out. It means they're working alongside the machines, as supervisors, safety experts, and designers of systems that balance speed with precision. Manufacturing isn't dead. It's becoming more digital than ever. But here's the twist. This isn't the end of work. It's the start of a different kind of work. Technology won't just take jobs. It'll also create millions of new ones. We just have to learn how to shift, how to reskill, and how to see change as opportunity. If you're watching this, chances are you're curious. You want to stay ahead of the curve. And that's exactly what we do here at Quicklet. We break down the world's biggest changes, tech, trends, ideas, and bring them to you in quick, sharp videos that make sense of the future. If you want more updates like this, subscribe now. The world's changing fast. Don't just keep up, lead. This is Quicklet. And the next video might just change how you see everything.